Yo, what's up? You thirsty? If you're thirsty, this thing can help. It's a stump, yeah, I know, but it's the type of stump. Birch bark works great for making small on-the-go cups. Only takes a few seconds once you know how to do it, so we don't have this type of birch in our area that's plentiful. So one of my friends gave this to me. So what I thought was I'm going to show you how you can do this. Now I also did this with other barks. It doesn't work as good as birch bark, because birch bark is nice and thin, as you're going to see, but it'll get the job done. It's fun. It's a cool project. Kids will love it too. Okay, so what you can see here is I'm removing the bark. Okay, I'm just going to take my time. Any spots that seem a little bit rough, just simply maybe check underneath with it or work your fingers on. Okay, we want to just get a nice straight piece here to start. This is probably bigger than we need, but that's okay. Now I have a sheet of birch. Okay, we're going to use this now in this section because these two ends are beat up a little bit, and we are going to go on step 2, and that is cut this into a circle. I'm just going to cut around here too, because that will be really nice and easy. You're going to then end up with this. From this point, I need you to get a small stick. All you're going to do is you're going to put your knife in and you're going to create a split. If you mess it up, project is not ruined. Don't worry about it. So I just created a small split here and we're good to go. Next, we're going to take this bark, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to fold like a zigzag type shape. So I'm going to take this hand, I'm going to go that way, this hand that way, above and below, and that's going to create this shape right here, okay? That shape then can be held in place with our stick. Now we have a small drinking vessel. Let's go over by the stream and check it out holding some water. Look at that thing. All right, guys, dipper, water. Dipper, drink. Dipper, you get my point. Point is, dipper works. So there you go, water dipper, quick, easy, effective. You saw I got that done in no time. Now, I've made this already a lot bigger. A few years back, I made a really big one, and the branch I put on had a Y on the end, like a tent peg, think of. We would just hang that near our water source, like our big water pot at camp. You take this off, take a dip, fill up your cup or whatever you need to do, rather than everybody dipping their hands and stuff in, and it worked out absolutely great. So a fun project. This is a great one for kids too. Don't feel like you have to do everything with a knife. Get the bark off maybe for the kids, and then let them cut it with scissors, and they can fold it, they can split the stick and all the good stuff. So cool one. So this was Dan Walker, Coalcracker Bushcraft. As always, check us out at coalcrackerbushcraft.com. Until next video, stay in the woods with your new cup.